Hey everybody, it's Darlene from Liquid Sunshine, and I just wanted to bring you in my studio because it's been a while since I've brought you into my studio. So I just wanted you to see what it's all about. It is private room set up for your spray tan. There are robes, lots of product for pre and post care, music. We have the new contouring gun from Nuda, though I already had one. But anyway, there's all the guns set up, ready to go. There's my mobile slider machine. And we're all ready for you to step in and get your tan on. All right, so don't worry. It's a safe and clean environment just set up for you for spray tanning and teeth whitening. Everybody have a great day. I am calling it Sunday Fun Day. I know it's Saturday, but it's my Sunday, if that makes sense. Peace out.